Hey everybody, it's Mary and welcome back to the kitchen. Do you guys ever want to just make a nice homemade marinara sauce for pasta? Well, today, you guys, that's what we're going to do for dinner. Okay. I have my pot heating up. I'm just going to throw some butter in there. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay. Then I'm going to add a medium onion. So I'm just going to put that down in there. And we're going to let the onion brown. Folks, I have to admit, one of my favorite smells in the kitchen is onions and garlic cooking. And if you have a bell pepper thrown in there with that, oh my goodness. But we're doing just simple today, guys. We're just doing just a basic marinara. The onions are cooking down really good and starting to get soft and translucent. We're going to add our spices. Toast them a little bit. I have salt, pepper, basil, garlic, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper. I'll give you guys the measurements in the description box and all the different spices I used. I can smell these now, so it's time to add my tomato sauce. And folks, this is tomato sauce that came from my kitchen. This is from tomatoes that we grew on the farm this year, guys. So I'm just going to stir that up and let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, folks, I have to admit I did something while you wasn't looking. I put a can of tomato paste in here, just a small 6-ounce can. I totally, honestly forgot to turn the camera on. I'm sorry. You'll just have to forgive me on that one. Okay. The last thing that's going to go in here is just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Now we're going to stir this up and we're going to put a lid on it and we're going to simmer it for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. That way, the longer you blend it, or the longer you cook it, I should say, the better the flavors blend. But if you really were in a pinch for time, you just have to cook it till the onions get done. But it's better if you let it simmer a little bit longer. But guys, isn't that an absolutely beautiful marinara sauce? After it has simmered, I'll throw it on some spaghetti and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, guys. I promised you I would show you what the sauce looked like on the spaghetti. Okay. It's really thick. Everything is cooked down really nice. Honestly, it's a lot thicker and better looking than what you get out of the grocery store. So now, I'll do it this way, guys, because I don't want to slop spaghetti and sauce all over my chin on camera. And I know I would. That's excellent. Do not be afraid to try this. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. See you on the next video.